Hey everyone, I'm glad you're here. I have another WordPress theme. This one just came out today. I wanted to bring it to you guys first, bring it to you guys as it become available, and today's available. The price of this WordPress theme is $39. I think you're gonna like it. You have some updated layouts and the author came out with so far 4 demos. That's a real estate, a car, a job board, and also a city guide demo. I think you guys will like it. When I seen it, I liked it. There are some things I think that the author can work on, but we won't get into that. Welcome to our podcast, and I'm gonna share my screen for you. All right, let's get into it. All right, so here we go. So here is the WordPress theme. So the current price is $39. I don't know if the price is going to drop or go up. Sometimes with the authors, they put it out there at a price for $39 or $19 or $59 or whatever, but then they might drop the price to get more people buying it, and then they raise the price. So I'm not sure if this author is going to do that, but the current price as of today is $39. Let's go through their homepage. So it breaks it down. You have a real estate demo, you have a car finder demo, job board, city guide. It breaks it down. They use the page editor, different components that they use for it. That's about it right there. So let's get into the demo. So this demo right here is their first demo. It's a real estate demo. As you see here, this is your logo. This is the menu set up here. As you see, you can put icons in the menu. It's structured. Here is your sign in. You get the pop-up page. Then you get the add property, which it would take you to a login. So let's go back. So let's scroll down the page. Here's your header. Of course, you can edit the header because it's set up through Page Builder. Here is your filter, location, for rent, for sale, the categories, the price. Here is your categories options here. These right here set up by blocks, so you can edit that, of course. Here is what the property listing look like. Here we go. Layout, you got the bedroom, the bath, and the car. Here's you can verify the author. So I would say if someone lists their property on there, you can verify that the person who is posting a property on your page, actually you can verify them, make sure they're the agent, make sure they're the owner. So all right, so scroll down. Here is another section, which is you can edit this with the block. They put added today, got apartments, houses, rooms, commercial, different options, calculator for the property. Let's see what this goes. Well, this one actually take you directly to a property page. Okay, so since we're here, let's get into it. So this is your gallery, your bedroom, bath, cars, your square footage. You can change this right here because some have foot, and this one is set up that way. So this one is your favorite. Click on that. Then you log in if you want to favorite. Here, if you want to share different social media outlets. Right here, don't mind this icon here. This right here is set up for demos. So if you click it, it asks you different demos you might want to see. So this would not be part of the theme. That is just set up for the moment. So here is your information where the property owner, agent will put the information in. They will have an image photo right here for that picture. Here you can add different icons. So different buttons. So this one says return to listing. If you click it, you can put whatever icon in there. This is a report the listing. You'll actually log in, and you can add some more buttons right here. Here is your map. Here is the price, overview description. You got more. It show the little slide button right here. Show more, show less. Property details, your amenities. As you see, you can put icons, which is great. And here's your reviews. Here it says your recently reviewed listings show here. So for customers, and they, can throwing down different properties, it would show what they recently viewed right there. If they forgot to save them. Here is your footer. And of course, you can change all that. Let's jump into what properties look like for search. So let's search some properties for sale. All right, so here you go. You got your map button right here, map view. You got your listings. Here is your filter right here, bedrooms, bathrooms, location, for sale, for rent. And you can, as you see, you can customize this however you like it. That resets it. So let's jump into one. It's the for sale, it's for rent. I'm gonna show you one more button. So let's go to it for sale. Let's see, this one have more buttons. As you see, this one have more buttons. You see, also this is a different look right here. This layout here is different from the for rent one. And I guess you can change it. Here is more buttons. As you see, you have a claim listing button now. So you could probably add another button here or something else. And it's similar layout here. You got your vendor page. Let me show you what the vendor page looks like. So if you have someone who signed up to list their apartments, this is what their page will look like. Their information. So for agents, brokerage, stuff like that, new construction, this is what their listing page will look like, which they can share with people. They cut it out, send it to someone, come view our properties, and take it directly to this page here. Let's check out another demo. Let's go to a car demo. So let's say you have a car business, a for rent business, you selling cars, you have a car blog. Here we go. This is their page, their demo for cars. So you see here, I like this look right here for different cars. As you see, this is their showcase, which is nice. Automatic, gas, how many miles, price, title. Here it breaks down on the icons, what kind of type of car you're looking for. This is nice how the car moves right here. You see it starts here and it slides on down. It's nice. Here we go, the listings. New, use, if you are, this right here should take you to probably to the directory search. It looks nice. It looks like a $1 million startup company website. So you can get started and have a website here that looks like you are a $1 million startup with a $40 website. So here is your menu. Here's your map menu. But this was something I think they need to work on because as you see, the pin's not showing up. And I think that's something they're probably working on right now to get show the dot. So here, let's see if I can. Okay, it's not showing it. So that's something they probably working on right now. A lot of times when they first put out a WordPress theme, sometimes there's things that need to be fixed, but they say, hey, we'll put it out now and get people used to it. Then we're going to work on different sections of the theme, as they build it out, because the process of getting their WordPress theme on theme 4 can take some time. So they submitted it, and then they're going to fix little small bugs that they need to fix later on. But this is nice. I like the layout. I like how it's set up here. Get the slideshow, your filters right here. Let's check out one of the listings, see what it looks like for you guys. Here we go, which is nice. As you see, it's a totally different layout from the real estate one. Price here, it's really nice. I think that it's a nice thing. I think that nice. You can see here, it shows images based on this is Google right here and Pinterest. Let's get out of that. Let's get out of the map. Okay. I think I showed you everything, you guys. I think I showed you everything. Contact page is here. Let's see, the about page. It's nice. It's a nice setup. I think you guys will like it. I wanted to bring it to you guys really quick. And here you go. This is the Finder WordPress theme for directory listings. I think you guys will enjoy this theme here. It's really nice. If you have any questions about this theme, let me know. Tell me what you guys think. Do you guys like it? I like it, but do you guys like it? I think they are slimming it down. It's a more modern look than some of the other WordPress themes out there in the directory. So tell me what you guys think. Subscribe, comment. If you guys want to do another video on the back end of this, let me know. I will. So until next time, you guys, take it easy.